The TOMM House is a striking architectural marvel nestled in an irregular terrain, engaging in a continuous dialogue with its surrounding landscape. With its commanding presence of right angles, it seamlessly merges with the natural environment, prioritizing a connection with the lush vegetation while ensuring privacy for its 3 inhabitants. Situated at the end of a tranquil street, the house boasts a facade adorned with rustic clay, exuding a powerful personality. Elevated on steel columns, it hovers above the ground, allowing the car to nestle beneath it. The design ethos revolves around honesty in materials, with exposed concrete, black stucco, and beautiful white mahogany called Kongona, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Access to the house is via a local flagstone staircase, leading to a welcoming entrance square. Here, a sliding pocket door offers versatility to the space, accommodating a study or guest bedroom as needed. The main bedroom, accessible through a workspace or hall, features a double height wall adorned with automated blinds, ensuring comfort and privacy. A terrace adorned with potted plants extends the living space, while a gray quarry board provides protection from the elements, adding texture to the environment. In essence, the TOMM House epitomizes a harmonious blend of modern architecture and natural surroundings, offering a serene retreat for its inhabitants while maintaining a constant dialogue with the verdant landscape.